In this video, I'm going to show you how to open or extract RAR files on iPhone on iOS 16. So when you've downloaded something on your phone, oftentimes it'll go into your files, and in order to actually open it, we're going to go to the App Store, and I want you to type in RAR opener or extractor. Now there's a few different applications you can use. Me personally, I use Unzip. You could also use Zip and RAR file extractor. Now, once you've downloaded Unzip, we're going to be opening it. The only problem with these applications is sometimes you will get these ads, so we can quickly skip through it. And then we're going to press the plus button in the top right corner. From here, you'll see import photos or files slash iCloud Drive, and we're going to select files slash iCloud Drive. Now, here's where you'll see my files, and we have the headphones RAR file, so I'm going to be selecting that. And I'm going to go to open in the top right corner. Now it's going to open up this RAR file here. And for us to extract it, what I want you to do is simply press on it. And it's going to say extract files, unzip, headphones.rar. So I'm going to press OK, and then it'll open it up in a different folder here. And then all you need to do is select it. And this is where you'll find the file that was in the RAR file. So for me, it was just a little photo from a previous video, a thumbnail, but that is how you do it. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.